Hello, friends. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, and I'm here in good old Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas, where we just had Hurricane Nicholas come by. You see that tree branch over there? A few branches on the ground and everything. This is Space City, USA, right here. Bunch of scientists live around here. It's very close to the Johnson Space Center, Houston, Texas. And we just had Hurricane Nicholas come by. Yes, sir. Nothing but a thing. It came around here. It was just a little storm. Everybody thought that it was going to get flooded. Luckily, we didn't get flooded around here. Maybe that's not the case in some other places, though. Uh, some other places might have got flooded, but luckily around here we didn't get flooded. So, good for everybody around here. But I'm gonna give you a 360 view. So just a few branches around that street. Just a few branches around the street. There's some squirrels coming around. Ain't nobody came to work or went to work today. Look at that. Yep. Look at that over there. That's right. So, I still got to see what happened back where I live most of the time with Hurricane Ida. It just seems like wherever I go, there's a hurricane that wants to visit me. Oh well. I'm gonna stick around here for a couple of days with all these scientists around here. People that do calculus for fun, spatial geometry as a hobby. But you gotta take it as it comes. We got hurricanes, coronavirus, the Delta variant, the moon. What else is gonna be next? We just gotta keep going. Here it is. Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth. Still living in this beautiful planet called Earth. Let's do it, baby. 2021.